How to become a human calculator in 30 days. In this quick overview, I'll show you the contents of the ebook and interactive course. The ePub that explains how to become a human calculator is dynamic, interactive, multimedia with engaging videos, explainer videos that show you step by step how to do the calculations mentally in your head. So here, if you are new to what is called the mind map, in this case it's called the brain map, it's a visual display of the contents of, say, for example, a book or a lecture or a discussion. So here we see the different entries. You have learning styles, an introduction, chapter 2, what you will learn, how to use this book, your current capabilities, Singapore math methods, and so on. Of course, you can pause the video at any stage and have a closer look at each of these topics. So let's first begin with your current capability. Now, or let's rather start with how to use this book. This book is designed for students preparing for the CXC mathematics who have a weak foundation in arithmetic, elementary mathematics, and for young adults in the workforce who want to upgrade their skills in doing calculations, and for second chance students who want to improve their ability to do calculations, whether for an exam or on a job site. The book contains interactive videos that you can replay any number of times. The videos show you step by step how to do the calculations. It contains a number of interactive quizzes that check your understanding of the concepts, and you have lots of worked examples you can practice on to develop your skill, because doing fast mental calculations is a skill, and as a skill it can be developed. Skills are developed through repetition, through practice. Now, for you to better appreciate the power and speed of these techniques, it may be useful to compare your current capability at the beginning before you start learning the techniques. Now, for example, as a challenge, can you multiply this number in your head by 3? Yes, without using pen and paper. The number it's an 8-digit number. It's 23,184,225. Can you multiply that in your head? Well, don't be discouraged if you can't, because you will learn powerful techniques that will enable you in an instant to do this calculation in your head quickly, confidently, and accurately. Let's look at another example, another challenge. Can you multiply 98 by 97 in less than 3 seconds? Again, don't be discouraged if you can't, because at the end of the course, you'll be able to do much more than that. You'll be able to multiply huge numbers in your head. Yes. You may think that you don't have a mind for mathematics, a math mind, or a mathematical mind, as some people say, but there's no such thing as a mathematical mind. It's the techniques or the strategies that you use that will develop the speed and accuracy so you can apply these systems very easily. You may be wondering how long it takes to learn these skills. Do you have to memorize anything? No. You can learn the skills in seconds. It takes seconds to learn the skills, of course, amazingly. I go through step by step and you see how it is done. You can replay the video any number of times, and at the end of that, each day, you would have acquired a new mathematical skill. Say for example, addition. Let's look back at another example of a challenge. Can you add 10 columns of two-digit numbers in your head? Or can you multiply this number without pen and paper and do it accurately? What's 23 multiplied by 27? In 3 seconds. Can you multiply this number in less than 4 seconds? Can you add these numbers mentally? Yes, you can, but you don't know how. And I will teach you these codes so that you can develop that ability. Just after the first day alone, you'll be able to astonish your friends and your classmates, impress your teachers, and much more. So enjoy.